Want to know how to connect your Playsee account to Google? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. So we have also created a video on how to download it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your Playsee application, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. This should be your guest account when you start off first. So you can just simply select it. And now once I've selected this, here on the top right side, you should be seeing this hamburger icon. Just simply select it. And now once you select this hamburger icon, here you should be seeing account. So just simply select account and then select a link account right here. That should be right below personal information. So once you have selected linked account, here you should be seeing connect to Google. Just simply select connect to Google right here. And now you can just simply choose your account from Google and then just connect it to this app right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you linked an account in Playsee application, and now start browsing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.